Hello, I'm Joe. I'm going to go over the top 10 tips for keeping your job. So the number one top tip is working hard. You need to make sure you're the hardest worker to make sure that you're very productive at work. Number two, be on time. Early is on time. If you're on time, it's late. Make sure you don't take extra long lunches. You don't take extra sick time. You don't be a nag on being on time. So be there. 10 minutes early is on time. Be a team player. Make sure you get along with everybody. Don't participate in workplace gossip. Be flexible. If somebody needs a shift covered, or you can pick up a shift or work weekends, put in some overtime, take on new tasks, being flexible goes a long way in a job. Don't complain. Outside of an HR complaint, try not to complain about the little things. Just suck it up and get it done. One thing to do is how to stop complaining is practice gratitude by saying, I get to do something instead of I have to do something. That brings you back into a glass half full scenario. Obviously, if it's an HR complaint, visit your HR department because that's important. So if you're being discriminated against or harassed, those are HR complaints. Document those incidents in writing and communicate with your HR department. Offer to help. Make sure that you're helping people and teaching people. Keep social media and work separate. Even if you hate your job, keep it to yourself or your trustworthy family and friends. Don't post your discontent on social media. Chances are you will lose your job. Be positive. A positive attitude is very contagious. Suck it up. I already said that earlier, but suck it up. Maybe it's not your favorite job, but it is a paycheck. So until you find a replacement, you need to be able to keep your paycheck coming. When all else fails, keep your job until you find a replacement job. There's research that shows that it's much easier to find a job when you are employed. So if you hate your job, keep your job until you find a different one so you can find one faster. That's the top 10 tips to keeping your job.